and children's health systems work together, expanding what we know and sharing what we discover to make breakthroughs both possible and accessible. Stanford Medicine, advancing knowledge, improving lives. StanfordMedicine.org.
Hey, it's Corey from the Marcus and Corey Morning Show. Did you see the NYX Cosmetics Cardi B commercial during the big game? NYX just launched their new product. It's the Duck Plump Gloss, and they got Cardi B to star on the spot. I don't want to give too much away, but they play on duck, D-U-C-K, and it is spicy. You got to see it for yourself online on NYX's YouTube channel. I'm going to stop by Ulta and get this Duck Plump. Remember, it's for your lips only. Seriously.
Hey, I'm Chelsea, and a little thing I like about the Chick-fil-A Spicy Deluxe Sandwich is I think it's just the perfect combination of ingredients. The pepper jack cheese and that spiciness of the sandwich. It's the right type of spice and the right amount of spice. It's crunchy on the outside, but then really tender on the inside. And then, obviously, the pickles on the bottom are iconic. There are too many things I like about it. I don't know if I can finish the thought.
Bring on the spice and order the Chick-fil-A Spicy Deluxe Sandwich on the Chick-fil-A app today. Real guests paid for their testimonial. For more than 20 years, Musicians on Call volunteers have delivered the healing power of music in hospitals all over the country. These welcoming and talented volunteers have helped patients forget about their pain, calmed the fears of anxious family members, and eased the stresses of hardworking caregivers. Whether you're a musician or simply a music lover, you can become a Musicians on Call volunteer. Check out www.musiciansoncall.org to find volunteer opportunities in your area.
There's used, there's certified, and then there's BMW certified. The 360-degree inspection by BMW trained technicians, an additional 1-year unlimited mileage warranty, 100% genuine BMW parts, and a nationwide dealer network you can rely on. The certified difference isn't just one thing, it's everything. BMW certified, the ultimate certified machine.
See a Bay Area BMW Center today for exceptional offers or visit bayareabmw.com.
As a mom, comforting my family is what I do best. Vicks Vapor Stick provides soothing, non-medicated Vicks Vapors in an easy-to-apply stick, and it dries fast, so there's no mess. I use it to comfort myself and my family.
Thanks, Mom.
Vicks Vapor Stick, soothing comfort for the whole family. And when you need more comfort for yourself, try Vicks Vapor Shower for steamy Vicks Vapors. Use as directed. Vapor Stick for use ages 4 and up. Vapor Shower use for adults only.
Hypertrophic cardiomyopathy is a serious heart condition. Some symptoms include being short of breath, feeling tired, or having dizziness or chest pain. My HCM impacted how I felt and what I could do. So I asked my cardiologist about treatment advances that gave me new options. That conversation was big for me. That's why I'm working with Bristol Myers Squibb to raise awareness about HCM and to help others like me. Talk to your cardiologist today and visit hcmrealtalk.com to learn more.
Sponsored by Bristol Myers Squibb. An oval diamond is long like an emerald cut.
But it dances with light like a round.
Twinkle, twinkle, oval diamond. So distinctive, but where to find them?
Shreve & Company. Luxury timepieces, fine designers, flawless diamonds, and a stunning collection of oval cut engagement rings.
Oval cut engagement rings.
Rare, exotic, and beautiful.
In Palo Alto, Shreve is perfectly situated in the Stanford Shopping Center.
And the flagship Shreve is at 150 Post off Union Square.
The first time I tried to quit vaping, I told myself that it was like a mountain that I had to climb over. And once I got to the other side, it would be clear. But I couldn't make it over. What really got me to quit was my little sister. I saw her vaping. So I was back in the mountain, but this time, she was up there with me. It's weird what you can do for others that you won't do for yourself.
Every attempt is part of your story to quit for good. Visit Kick It California today at kickitca.org.
You can buy cars like these on AutoTrader. Like that car riding
That
your
is
tail.
not how you make a
Or if
turd.
you're tailgating right now, all those cars doubling as kitchens and living rooms are on AutoTrader too. Are you working out and listening to this ad at the same time? Well, multitasking pro, cars like the ones in the gym parking lot are for sale on AutoTrader. New cars, used cars, electric cars, maybe even flying cars. Okay, no flying cars, but as soon as they get invented, they'll be on AutoTrader. Just you wait. AutoTrader.
Moments like my daughter telling me a new joke mean a lot to me. But after being diagnosed with metastatic breast cancer, or MBC, which is breast cancer that is spread to other parts of the body, they mean even more. I take Ibrance, palbociclib.
Ibrance 125 milligram tablets with an aromatase inhibitor is for adults with HR-positive HER2-negative MBC as the first hormonal-based therapy. Ask your doctor about Ibrance and visit Ibrance.com. Ibrance may cause low white blood cell counts that may lead to serious infections. Ibrance may cause severe inflammation of the lungs. Both of these can lead to death. Tell your doctor right away if you have new or worsening symptoms, including trouble breathing, shortness of breath, cough, or chest pain. Before taking Ibrance, tell your doctor if you have fever, chills, or other signs of infection, liver or kidney problems, are or plan to become pregnant, or are breastfeeding. Common side effects include low red blood cell and low platelet counts, infections, tiredness, nausea, sore mouth, abnormalities in liver blood tests, diarrhea, hair thinning or loss, vomiting, rash, and loss of appetite.
The free iHeartRadio app has over 100 commercial-free stations waiting for you to explore right now, like Love Songs Radio. Featuring the greatest love songs for Valentine's Day from iconic artists like Elton John, Adele, Bruno Mars, Ed Sheeran, and more. Set the mood for love without the commercials. Just open the free iHeartRadio app, search Love Songs, and listen now. iHeartRadio. Free never sounded so good. Star 1013 Bay Area traffic.
A crash in Sunnyvale, southbound 85 before Homestead Road. It's in the middle lane. You're backed up from El Camino Real. A 4-car wreck in Danville, north 680 after El Cerro Boulevard. Right shoulder and a delay from Diablo Road. Stalled big rig in Oakland. It's on the 7th Street on-ramp to South 880.
This report is sponsored by Robert Half. Robert Half research indicates 9 out of 10 hiring managers are having difficulty hiring. Robert Half is here to help. Their recruiting professionals use proprietary AI to connect businesses with highly skilled talent. At Robert Half, they know talent. Visit roberthalf.com today.
The Talkback mic is on the free iHeartRadio app.
Hey, what up, Bay Area? It's Sisney. I don't know if you realize this or not, but you can record and send a message to any of the hosts here on Star. Just open up the free iHeartRadio app, stream Star, of course, and then look for the little red microphone right next to the play button. Press it, record your message, and hit send.
I love listening to you and Tanya and Sisney. You guys make my morning every single day.